Hey friends, this is Bridget Danner with Hormone Detox Shop, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to basically give you the tour of this upcoming summit, The Genius of Your Genes, hosted by Donna Gates, who is a total trailblazer in the field of the microbiome before anyone was even talking about the microbiome. So she's amazing. You can find out more about her here at your host. And I just wanted to show you some of the talks I'm excited about. I am no genetics expert. It is a giant subject. But I always want to learn more, and I know you always want to learn more about health too. I like this one right off the bat about genetic testing because I think it's quite confusing knowing which test to run, which software to use. So right off the bat, you're getting some there. William Walsh is a name I think I've heard of before in terms of nutrients, and I thought this was interesting. Copper zinc ratio on pregnancy and postpartum. That was something that stood out to me. Trudy Scott is a dear friend of mine who always has very specific information, and anxiety and depression is something that she's covering. Day 2 must be about gut, or quite a bit. You know Kiran Krishnan, everyone is crazy about him and his talk. So he's talking about the microbiome. Siobhan Sarna, I really love. She knows a ton about SIBO and IBS. Tom O'Brien, I love his work as well. He's talking a little bit here about the APO gene and Parkinson's, so that's going to be a cool one. Day 3, this is my friend Christine Schaffner. She's here talking about environmental stressors, a lot about detox and environmental medicine. Suzanne Bennett, she's got a book on mitochondria. She's really up on the research on cellular energy, among other things. Ari Whitten, you love his work as well. You could tell it's a good interview and it's an hour and 20 minutes, but he's talking about sleep, which is something that, we often struggle with. Anne Louise Gittleman is like basically my mentor. She doesn't know it in this space, but I love her work. She's talking a lot about how to detox. Jeffrey Smith is over here with talking about GMO foods and how it affects your genes and microbiome. He's a real leader in the world of GMOs. This gentleman, Chris Masterjohn, is a big name in the paleo space. He's talking a little bit here about skin issues. Dan Pompa knows a ton about detox. Julie Matthews is a real expert with kids and autism. This should be an interesting one on salt. Is salt right for you? Pretty interesting. So I like that specialized topic. Here's one on environmental factors and detox. Let's see. There's so much in here. Liz Lipsky has been in this space a long time and is a big leader in functional nutrition medicine. I think this is definitely one worth checking out. I'm sure that Donna put together a really amazing group, and you can sign up on the link below this video. Thanks for watching.